This is my median nerve. And then, in fact, I want you to compare. Can you side-by-side comparison? Just before I go to the other side again, you can see this fascicle, in fact, is smaller, and then this is more healthy.
Yeah.
And this is you can see this is a bit swollen, and then as you can see, all the fascicles are swollen. This is, in fact, very slight, very early phase of the neuropathy. Can you go to this side again? Can you see this swollen fascicle comparing to still a little bit here, but not too bad? And then all the other fascicles, you can see this is all clear, very clear cut. And this is a little bit blur and also swollen. So this is kind of, if the machine is not good enough, you're not going to see this. So that's why this machine, I still believe is good. In fact, I've seen this machine before, and then I've used it before in Taiwan. And then this time, I think it's a bit more impressed by the quality of the images. I think you guys have done a great job to improve the quality, especially on the nerve fascicles. You can basically see the difference between the my right and the left wrist. So this is completely normal, and this is slightly with a little bit of this in the early phase of the so-called nerve damage, and because the reason you have seen in my lecture. Okay, so I won't repeat, but at least this machine can be used very good for nerve hydrodissections and treat the nerves and the diagnosis the nerve neuropathy, even starting from the early phase.